Well, hello and welcome back. Today's video is a delicious key lime pie cookie. It's like a Crumbl Copycat cookie, but there's quite a few variations of those, so this is my variation of it. So I hope you stay tuned to watch me make this, and I definitely, if you like key lime pie or you like lime flavored things, definitely recommend giving this one a try. It's delicious. One of my absolute faves. So now you can make this cookie without the little tart pans that I have, and just make it like a regular shaped cookie, but I thought this gave it more of the cute pie look. So you're going to preheat your oven to 350 degrees. If you're not going to use the tart pans, then I would just recommend putting it on a parchment paper lined baking sheet or silicone lined. Even with the tart pans though, I did put it on a baking sheet because you don't want to try to have all those tart pans loose in the oven. Then you're going to go ahead and you're going to cream your butter, your sugar, and your brown sugar until combined and creamed. You can do this in a stand mixer, or as you can see, I did it all with the hand mixer. So once you have that all creamed together, you're going to add in your egg, and your vanilla extract and your butter extract. You can use emulsion if you have it, but extracts work just as well too. Then you will add in your graham cracker crumbs and your flour, your salt, baking soda, and baking powder. And you're going to mix that just until you don't see the traces of the flour. I do recommend kind of giving this a squish with your hands just to kind of make sure all the dry pieces are kind of mixed in with the creamy butter pieces and everything. And then you can use your large cookie scoop, and you can either scoop them out and place them on the tray or place them in your tart pan, flatten them out, and then use the measuring cup to push up or push down that well in there. And you would do the same thing if you're doing it without the tart pans. Just go ahead, roll them into a ball, flatten them out either with your hand or a spatula, and then push the well into the bottom with your measuring cup. Then you're going to go ahead and pop that into your oven, and you're going to bake them for about 10 minutes. And then you're going to pull the cookies out, and you're going to take your measuring cup again and make sure to flatten the cookie just a little bit more, kind of push the edges and the bottom down, and then you're going to pop them back in the oven for about another 2 to 4 minutes. Once you pull those out of the oven, you're going to let them cool on your cookie sheet for about 15 minutes, 10-15 minutes. Then you can transfer them to a cooling rack to let them cool completely. Once you have your cookies in the oven, or while they are cooling, I recommend while they're cooling, you can go ahead and start making your key lime pie filling. So either in a stand mixer or again with a hand mixer, you're going to mix your softened cream cheese, your sweetened condensed milk, your lime juice, and your lime zest, and your sour cream until combined. Once the cookies have cooled down and you've made your pie filling, you're going to want to fill the wells of your cookies. You can do that with a piping bag, or like I did, a small scoop. And then if you want, just leave them like that, or use your offset spatula and kind of smooth them out. Again, make them your own and make them decorated and pretty like you like. Now you can either top yours with just a dollop of whipped cream, Cool Whip, whatever you like. If you have like a can of whipped cream in your fridge, you can go ahead and just put that on top. Or if you want something that's going to be a little more stable, I went ahead and used the Wilton whipped topping mix. I did not use the whole box, so I only used a little bit of it, which you will see in the description with the recipe and the amounts. And then you just add your whipped topping mix with your water, and you just whip that until it's nice and fluffy. Then I put that into a piping bag fitted with a 1M tip. You could just use a piping bag if you want to dollop, or you could just literally spoon it on with a spoon. I went for a little like meringue dollopy. pipe that on top. You can pipe that all around the edges to make it look even more like a key lime pie. Just one dollop in the middle. Have fun with it and do as much as you want. So if you like these, which if you're a lime fan, I imagine you would, make sure you smash the like button. And if you haven't already, subscribe and hit that notification bell, because that all helps support my channel and helps me keep making these yummy recipes and these videos. And also, please comment what other cookies you would like to see me make. Any ideas of stuff that's already out there you want me to make my version, or any flavor ideas that you just would like to see. And as always, live, love, eat sweets.